Hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys. Merry Christmas. I'm happy. I'm quite happy today. It's Christmas Day. And I didn't come to fix anything. No, I didn't come to fix anything. But I'm alone, My family is not around, so I just found this opportunity just to have Christmas together. It's so boring outside, and the addiction with electronics. I always want to stay close to my table. Hello South Africa, hello England, hello Zimbabwe, hello everyone all over the world. So guys, let's have Christmas together. Speaking about electronics, I think it's a good thing. Let's have Christmas together. What I want to do, okay, 1 second. Let's modify this a little bit. Let's put it here, and what I want to do, I want this to be on the table, Good. That's good. So what I want to speak today, I'm not going to fix anything, but I just want to speak few things, enjoying Christmas together. So let's start with something which people messed up long ago, especially in my country. I don't know in your country, but I want to explain about the entire electronics industry, in line with the trust issues with customers. This industry was messed up long ago, especially in my country. There are people who treated the customers bad long ago, and some they are still in bad habits when it comes to repair industry, to the extent that the customer is no longer trusting any person who fixes things. I think maybe they change parts, they steal parts, things like that. So we just want to tackle on a few issues. We just want to tackle on a few issues. First issue that I want to talk about is fairness. If you are in the electronic industry, the first thing that you have to do, just try to be a fair person. When I say fair, for example, here in Zimbabwe, we do have common faults, especially on TVs. I found a lot, and I fixed a lot of TVs with the backlights problem. The customer will come today, you charge him, let's say $20 to fix a 32-inch backlight TV. You fix the TV. After 2 days, due to fluctuation of electricity, especially in Zimbabwe, unstable currents and voltages. At some point the LED can die even early, and the customer came back to you, you see your backlights, they are now gone again. The next thing, you charge the customer again in less than 3 days or less than a week. That's what they are doing, which is very bad. Which is very bad, because just consider the time frame. The customer doesn't have in less than a week, he paid double to fix same problem. And what do you think the customer will do? Will never come back. Will never come back again, because you are not being fair to the customer. So if you want to do this business, maybe there's someone who wish to start this electronic repair business. Before you start anything, take note of these things. Just to be a fair person to the public, fair person to your customer. Just to have your own personal rules, how you treat your customer in a fair way. So that's what we have to master. And secondly, let's not charge abnormal charges to customers, guys. Suppose the customer want to let his gadget fixed, maybe it's a phone. You charge maybe, let's say 90%. of the buying price. Let's say the phone was bought maybe at $100. You are charging customer $90 to repair, or $80 to repair. I've seen that. It doesn't work that way. The repairing charges should be very normal and reasonable. According to me, if I'm charging, I look into mainly I calculate time, because if the job is taking me 10 minutes or 20 minutes to do the job, there's no reason to charge so much. But if the job gonna take too long, yeah, I will charge more, because time is the key. So you have to be fair. You have to charge normally, and also know your limits. Know your limits as a technician. Know your limits. You have to know things that you can fix and the things that you can't fix. You have seen so many videos which I uploaded, which I was saying job from another tech, job from another tech, job from another tech. Why is it like that? It's because people, they don't know their limits. They are like too desperate for money. You want to accept every job. You can't fix everything. Even myself, I can't fix everything. There are some jobs which I fix and jobs which I don't fix. So you have to know your limitation. That is very important. And also the issue of not recognizing your limits on repairs, you ended up messing further Like I saw so many people, they brought their TVs for backlight issue. They said I've given someone, he tried, he failed, and they bring it here. But the issue is that first technician, he messed up things, he broke the screen. He didn't be fair to the customer to explain that no, I've damaged the screen. And the next thing, I will tell the customer that, you know what, where you went for the first time to get your gadget repaired, they messed up the screen. The screen is damaged, and the TV screens, they're hard to get, so you have to buy another TV. One, you didn't fix the problem. Two, you have put so much anger on the customer. That's how you lose the customers. So that's the third point. Know your limitation as a technician, things that you can fix and things that you can't fix. And let's try to be professional, guys. With the little knowledge that you know, try to do whatever you'll be doing wholeheartedly. That's another thing. This food is too much for me. It's too much. So that's the thing. That's the thing. And also, time is the key. If you want to, whether you are in this business or you want to start, don't take too long to fix a gadget. You will lose a lot of money. Actually, the time to fix a gadget is very small. But because in some of my videos I try to explain so that people they understand, I ended up going close to an hour or so trying to fix a device. But time is the key, because you'll be racing against bills, you'll be racing against a lot of expenses. So that's the thing. And a lot of people, especially technicians in my country, they love to do shortcuts. The customer who came, I do have my phone like this, and the customer will explain clearly, my phone needs LCD. We said, you know, LCD is going to $50 US. The customer will pay up. The next thing, you divert that money for your personal use, and you fail to order, maybe it's out of stock, to order that LCD. The next thing, you start to have some arguments and customer, because he paid, you owe the customer. Then the customer wants this gadget to be fixed, but you no longer having the money to order the screen. Things like that. Let's stop cheating customers, guys. Let's try to be fair. Fair. Let's try to be fair in the electronic industry. The reason why I started this, I want to bring fairness. Especially in the electronic, just to restore, because already people have got bad assumption and bad image towards the technicians. Some they say, you know what, my gadget, I can't leave it here, you have to fix it while it's waiting, because I once been robbed somewhere, things like that. So that's the thing. So I just wish you a Merry Christmas, guys, wherever you are. I didn't come to fix anything today, but I was just explaining some things in line with the trust issues in our industry, mainly in my country. People, they are no longer trusting a technician due to bad habit practices. Customer came with the laptop, we failed to fix it, you change the screen, you steal the hard drive, things like that. Let's stop that, guys, and be professional. So thanks, guys, for having Christmas with me. I hope you are enjoying wherever you are, but don't drink and drive. Just stay safe, and also know your limits when it comes to pleasure. Don't be overexcited to the extent that it will cost your life or your pockets. See you next time, guys. Bye.